Hi friends, welcome to Discovery at Home. Today we have a really fun art activity for you to try. It's called the Abstract Art Box. Crazy, right? All you need is a cardboard box that's empty, some tape, maybe some tissue paper, construction paper, things like that that are recycled that you can reuse, and you are ready to go. So the first things first is put your box together, and then you're gonna wrap the tape around the outside of the box. But the catch is you want the sticky part of the tape on the outside. That way you can add the materials to the box on the sticky part of the tape. Then you can create whatever you want. So then use your materials and you can decorate every side of the box and make it look however you want. Then you have your abstract art box ready to display. Well, this has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.